This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautiful birck patio home located in a cul-de-sac in the desirable Magnolia Plantation Subdivision. The home features an open floor plan west/split bedroom layout. Living room is large and open with a tray ceiling and a gas log fireplace. Kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, tile backsplash, and a breakfast area. The primary suite features a double vanity, jetted soaking tub, walk-in shower, and expansive walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 has 3 closets for ample storage space. Bonus room is perfect for a home office, playroom, or additional living area. Sunroom and patio is ideal for relaxing or entertaining, overlooking the fenced backyard. Additional highlights include central vacuum, Rinnai tankless water heater, underground irrigation system, and double garage with utility sink and storage room. Recent upgrades include new roof, HVAC, and windows, 2024, updated bathrooms and newer kitchen appliances. This home offers a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and style. For more information, review the details.